Hey Faith, this is Steve Dahl over here at Jackie Cooper and Nissan. Wanted to give you a quick tour of that Chevy Avalanche that you were interested in. It's a good looking truck. 2011, about 164,000 miles on it. It's in good shape. One of the big advantages to this one is it's got that hard tonneau cover on the back. I'm going to show you that. So it's got the hard tonneau cover. And those all release and lock back into place. Of course, it's even got the spare tire in there. Give you a view from back here. Nice looking rims. Of course, it's the LTZ model. Plenty of room in the back seat. In the back seat, you've also got your own climate control, 12 volt audio inputs. Got floor mats. On into the driver's side, power windows, door locks, mirrors, memory seats, heated and cooled front seats, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Center display gives you your tachometer, odometer, speedometer. Steering wheel controls include cruise control, stereo selection, Bluetooth. Then of course you've got your navigation, climate control, and the rest of your settings. Even has a sunroof. All in all, a really good looking vehicle. Love to have you come take a look at it. DVD display for the rear passengers. All in all, great looking truck. Give me a call, 252-218-5452, 252-218-5452. Thanks a lot. Bye.